How to turn off Reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Reels on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are on the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as tab bar. Now here, simply select customize the bar. Now from here, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as video. So simply tap on auto beside that option. And here a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on hide. And that's it. Now the reels are hidden from your Facebook app. And that's how you can turn off reels on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.